How do we look?
Oh, this looks really cute. Wait,
Are we looking good, man?
Wait, I have to get to the video.
How are we looking, man? Hello, everybody. Brown skin girls here.
I've been doing good, baby. I've been doing great. Money in my pockets got me walking with a cane. If you catch a glimpse, you might blind yourself. I dress like I really, really love myself. I got 6 bad broads and they love my wealth. But this for the family. Keep your hands to yourself. Yeah, I'm racing and I'm never gonna stop.
Oh, wow. Look at us, both of us.
We can always sharing is caring.
Right, hello everyone, welcome back!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Did you miss us? Of course you didn't, because we just dropped a video the other day. I'm wearing their sliders this week.
Oh yeah,
I feel like everyone the LV.
Have you seen
them?
them?
No, don't look at my toes, bro. They're so butters. No, they're so butters. I know they're ugly. Don't show them.
I'm showing them the LV. Oh my god. No one wants to see your toes. They'll unsubscribe.
Oh.
Right, so we have today's topic.
Welcome back to question time.
Yeah, welcome back to question time. They put a hair in it. Give me one of your fingers. Can I put it?
No.
Right, are you gonna pick or am I gonna pick? Can I pick?
You pick.
I go first.
You go first. First, she's going first.
Okay, today we are going to be talking about your boyfriend doesn't like your outfit. What do you do? I tell him to go and leave.
No, I tell him I don't like his face. And what's he going to do about that?
Right, next question.
I can change my outfit. Can you change your face? No, you can't. Didn't think so. Another one.
For you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, let me do it.
I'm sorry.
No, what are you doing, man? I got second too.
I'm going to go first. I'm second. Ooh.
Do you think men and women have the same capacity to cheat?
Ooh.
That's not even a thinker. Why are you sighing? Of course they don't.
Yeah, men just cheat more.
Men just always cheat.
Yeah, no, but I just think men, they're just very like animalistic sexual predators. So I just think all they care about is just like, yeah, I need to fuck. What should we talk about today then? Go love yourself, because it's really hard and the world is a dark place, but don't worry.
This video is going to shit.
We're all going to heaven, so I'll see you there.
We're wearing black for the death of our YouTube channel. We're mourning it.
We're wearing black for the death of my personality.
Oh, how do men and women differ in their approach to relationships?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I already know this fact. I can spit bars.
What, men cheat?
No. You know, as for someone who's never been in a serious relationship, I've got so much to say about serious relationship. I've got so much to say. Like literally, my one and only relationship was literally like 2 weeks long, so I don't know why I've got the most to say about relationships. I need to somebody.
As someone that's only been in healthy relationships, I like that men and women.
Good one.
I just think men and women have different approaches to relationship, because women start planning marriage and the kids and the grandkids' names, and men are thinking to the end of the week. They're literally thinking, what am I going to do on Friday? And she's out there planning the kids' names. So I just feel like that's the main difference, is that a man can be with you and like just be satisfied with right now and not think about the future, because I think men don't really think long term, except for when it comes to their money, because all of them are thinking long term.
They only believe in investing when it comes to their bank account. But in relationships, love, a future, a family.
No, they're
second best men.
Yeah, they're thinking maybe till tomorrow. Maybe you'll be here tomorrow. Maybe you will. Maybe you won't.
I have something to say.
Yeah, please.
Sometimes I think men actually just only think about the future. Like they sometimes see a woman and they're like, she will make a great mom. She will tick all these boxes. She's a good Muslim. She cooks well. Do you get what I mean? This will be great for my future. She'll be great to have around. But actually they've got nothing in common. Their relationship is not healthy, but she'll make a great mom.
I think it's very common in Asians. I've seen a lot of Asian men, whether they're Muslim or not, but they do this thing where it's like, okay, like I can actually, I don't know when it is, they get into this like age bracket or pressure bracket of where like the family expects you to get married, and they basically, like you said, will see all these like see their mum or their, you know, some sort of like mum in them, and then they will just be like, yeah, I'm ready to settle down with this girl. But that is also like you said, they have no friendship, they've got nothing in common.
Are you even compatible?
Yeah, like nothing. But they just like the foundations, and it's almost what Asian culture teaches you as well though, because like, you know, when people get these rishtas or whatever, they literally write a list of like, girl has finished education and she cooks this many times a day and she does, so do you know what I mean? So I don't blame them for being like that. We're all a product of our environment. We are learning now to start a family with somebody, you need to have a very good friendship with them.
Yeah.
You need to have so many things in common with them, like, and the foundations need to be that you need to get along with that person first of all, like, do you know what I mean, and feel safe and trusted and all these things. Also, I think also women get heartbroken straight away. So for example, so we will grieve it straight away. We're very like this. We're like this. Like, we might feel first as well. So we could know. I think even in a few weeks of getting to know somebody, like I could see myself falling in love with someone. Like, I think we're very emotionally aware creatures because we feel a lot of emotions. So we're like, oh, I feel like this, and then I feel like this, and I feel like this. Men, they only have like 3 emotions. One's like sleep, one's hunger, and one's anger. And they literally don't have any emotions. So they, like, it's really sad. It must be really sad being that species. But yeah, they don't have many emotions. So when the relationship ends, they probably don't even feel that sad straight away. And then it hits them. Like, you'll be like 2 years later, like, oh yeah,
I will never find someone like that again.
Yeah, and then the girl's moved on and she's happy.
She's glowed up.
She's glowed up and she's like realised her self-worth, she's realised everything. She's happy. But my man's still thinking about her because he didn't even realise he was in love with her until she left. So I feel like their emotions come like late.
Yeah, I feel like maybe they don't actually process, boys just don't process what they're actually feeling. Like, I think girls are very reflective and actually very emotional, so they're like, girls are always questioning, do I like him, do I not like him, oh my god, like, they overthink everything, they analyse their feelings, everything they feel, and then they figure out what they want, and if they want it, and then they make decisions based on that, whereas I think men just kind of go with the flow, like, if this fits my life at the current moment, cool. We should have this conversation with a boy. Which
I know I have. Like, I've asked so many boys. I'm literally just like, so do you think long term? And it was one of my guy friends who literally said to me like, do you want to be perfectly honest with you? I don't even think to the end of the week. And the girl that I'm dating is thinking about me, my kids with her. And that's when I realised, like, and he's a really good friend as well. And I was like, oh shit. So like now what I've learned from past mistakes is that I don't let my brain go there. Like it goes there a little bit and I go, stop it, you
have to like anchor yourself into the present moment.
I'm like, come back, you come back. Unless it's happening right now, I'm not thinking about it. So it's more like we learn to, I think we have to go through that because then we learn to focus on ourselves. And now
basically girls, women, W for women, W for W's.
I love you. I really love women. I think we're amazing, but also I think we're very detrimental to ourselves. We need to stop living in airy fairyland, okay? We need to stop romanticising every guy that walks down the street and stop being like, oh my god, how will my babies look with him? So let's just stop romanticising life.
We should start investing financially and not emotionally.
Facts.
Guys, this is, oh my god, this is the lesson of the video. If men are out there to secure the bag,
then start securing the bag, girls.
That's what we need to focus on. Stop securing a fucking family or a husband or a family or a daddy. That will come later. That's just not your priority. Secure the bag.
I secure the bag. That's what I'm doing. I'm out here in Bulgaria securing the bag.
We're securing the bag.
Through the YouTube channel. We're gonna secure the bag.
With our 1 million subscribers.
I want to touch the sky. I want to go so high. I want to touch the sky. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right. It's better than yours. Damn right. It's better than yours. I get to go.